Welcome to PayDay. Please enter your login ID and password. You are now at the dashboard. The icons represent the main functionalities of PayDay, and the sequence of the process is from left to right. If this is your first time using PayDay, the system will guide you on the steps to set up your company's payroll policies. You will notice that all the icons, except company and policies, are grayed out. Don't worry, it's intentional. The next icon will be enabled once you have completed the first setup. You may proceed to enter your company's information and payroll policies. The information you enter will determine how your payroll will be calculated by PayDay. When you click the Company and Policies icon, you will see various tabs. We shall take you through each tab to understand the information required. At the first tab, Business Info, you are required to enter your legal entity's name and business registration number, among other details such as address and contact numbers. You may upload your company's logo so that it will be shown on your payslips. At the second tab, Billing Info, you are required to enter the billing information that will be reflected in our invoice to you. The next tab, Payroll and CPF, is one of the most important sections. You will need to specify how and when you want to pay your salaries. It is important that you provide full and complete information in this section. Please click on the Help icons if you need more information on each field. The Pay Items tab allows you to create and store all different types of pay items that are specific to your company. Some examples are transport, medical, commissions, and overtime. While PayDay has a list of the most commonly used pay items, you can modify, remove, or add new ones. Finally, the Calendar tab is your payroll calendar, marking out the key deadlines that you should watch out for. Toggle between the options to display the various deadlines such as payday, work pass expiry dates, and even your employees' birthdays. If you do not have all the information with you to complete the setup, you can save at any point and continue later. However, you will need to complete this section before you move on to the employee setup. Watch out for the warning icons that informs you which tabs have not been completed. Once you have completed the Company and Policy section, the Employee and Salary icon will automatically be enabled. And this is what you will need to do next. You may proceed to enter your employee's information and their salary details. Click Add Employee to create an employee record. Each employee record is divided into various tabs. Let's quickly review each of these tabs. The first tab, Basic Info, captures the basic profile of each employee. It is important to pay attention to the accuracy of information like NRIC or FIN, date of birth, nationality, race, and religion, as these impact the salary and CPF contribution calculations. The Employment and Salary tab is also important, as it determines how your employee's salary will be computed. The Other Pay Items tab allows you to assign any of the company's pay items to the employee as part of his or her employment benefits. Each employee's benefits can differ in type and amount. It is up to you to set the pay items correctly so that these will be included in the monthly salary payout to the employee. If the employee does not have any allowance or deductions, you can skip this tab. The next tab, Online Access, allows you to turn on the access for the employee to view his or her payslips online. In this section, you can also assign the rights to view payroll reports to any key decision makers in the company. The Salary History tab will display the total salary payouts to each employee for each month. For payroll processed in months prior to using PayDay, you can conveniently enter the total figures in the table. Having complete historical salary information is important to ensure accuracy of subsequent CPF and year-end IRAS reporting purposes. For best practice, you should update the employee's records whenever there are changes to employees' information. For example, a change in an employee's status from a foreigner to Singapore PR will impact CPF contributions. Once the setup is complete, you can proceed to run your first monthly payroll in PayDay. For more information and help, you can access our extensive library of frequently asked questions 24/7. We also provide support when you need it from easily accessible customer service representatives via email or phone. Log in to payday.com.sg. PayDay. Payroll has never been easier.